What's good, guys? Welcome back to yet another episode where we catch Pokemon, and not just catch them but also go ahead and draw them. So we have a new one in here that I've actually never seen before. It's called a Dedenne. But he looks more like a Raichu, but he's not actually a Raichu. He has a difference when it comes to the whiskers, and his tail is a lot different from a Raichu. So a Raichu is a fully blown Pikachu, but this one is a little bit different. One thing you have to pay attention to here is that he has a very high CP of 1000 plus. So that's why I'm going to go ahead and try to actually capture him, and boom, shakalaka, we got him. So this is, let me see, I've never seen this before. So this is called a Dedenne. I literally cannot even pronounce it, but it's called a Dedenne. Wow. When you turn him over, you could see his tail. It looks like a hand, and looks like probably he uses it to smack. He is also a mouse, which Pikachu is. I literally need to figure out this because this is looking like a lot more like a Pikachu. So what is going to go ahead and happen, I'm going to go ahead and open up the official Pokédex, and I'll go ahead and actually try to learn about this a little bit more. I'll try to take a picture of him. So let's place him around there. Can I zoom in to see what he looks like a lot more? Tap him a little bit. He's totally behaving like a Pikachu 100%. I'll take a picture of him. I'll take some pictures of him, and that's it. So I took a few pictures of him. He totally looks like a Pikachu, though I don't know who this is. So let's go ahead and actually try to learn about him and see exactly. I mean, he looks like a fully blown Pikachu in a Raichu form. Let's go ahead and learn about him in the official Pokédex. So we're in here and it's loaded up, and we're gonna go ahead and type a Dedenne. I can't pronounce it. Oh, he actually holds on to his tail in a bit there. Oh wow, that's actually really cute. He's a mouse type Pokemon. That's it. There's absolutely no way you can tell me he's not a mouse. He's a Raichu Pikachu kind of form. He's a mouse. It's small, and its electricity generating organ is not fully developed, so it uses its tail to absorb electricity from people's homes and charges itself. So it's an electric type Pokemon. This is like a Pikachu or a Raichu. They then emit electrical waves from the whiskers of on their cheeks to communicate with each other. When low on electricity, they curl up and sleep. Oh, this is so cute. This is like the cutest thing ever. So he emits electric waves from his whiskers in order for him to talk to other Pokemon. That's how they communicate. But if they're low on energy, they just go to sleep. The other thing is that he's not fully enough developed to create his own electricity. So he uses his tail, this is what we just read, to absorb electricity from people's houses and charge himself up. This has to be an electric type Pokemon. So let's go ahead and see it. So the category is antenna. Wow, that took me by surprise. Height is very small. It's just less than a foot tall. It's just a few inches tall. So this is literally very small. A mouse that is 4 pounds, and abilities is pick up, chick pouch. Is an electric type Pokemon, fairy, weakness, poison, and ground. This Pokemon does not evolve. Wow. Yeah, this Pokemon does not evolve. Wow, that's actually not that much of a surprise. I figured that because he looks like a fully blown Raichu, but he's kind of a spin-off of it. Let's just say it the way it is. It's just a spin-off of a Raichu. We drew a Raichu before. If you haven't watched the video of us drawing a Raichu, I'm actually going to link it in the description below. But if you have watched that one and you'd like to watch this one as well, I welcome you. If you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and you won't be able to miss out. So every time that I put up a new drawing or catching of these Pokemons, you will be there. So thank you so much again, guys, for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video. Bye bye for now.